We all have that friend who's always fashionably late to every party. In the world of technology, that could be Apple. It's finally joined the AI race, unveiling Apple Intelligence. It means new apps, AI features, and an AI-powered Siri. But the important update here is that Apple's AI revolution will be powered by OpenAI, the same company that made ChatGPT. It sounds like a great partnership, but not everyone is happy about it, including Elon Musk. He says this is a massive threat to data security. But is it really? Our next report tells you.
The world of artificial intelligence is fast-paced and cutthroat. If you can't keep up, you're out. So for months, Apple found itself in an uncharacteristic position. The trendsetter of the techverse was lagging behind. As Microsoft, Google and Amazon galloped ahead, Apple found itself trotting along. The company was busy polishing old iPhones into new models instead of diving into the murky waters of machine learning. But not anymore. Apple has finally joined the AI race. And they're not just dipping their toes in the water, they're doing a full cannonball.
Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system that puts powerful generative models right at the core of your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It draws on your personal context to give you intelligence that's most helpful and relevant for you.
In Apple, AI stands for Apple Intelligence. It envisions a future where the AI system knows all about you, can use that knowledge to get information, and in turn takes action on your behalf. Essential to this plan is Siri, Apple's virtual assistant. When Siri was first introduced, it was revolutionary, but now it feels more like a relic from a bygone era. For years, it has been outclassed by Alexa and Google Assistant, relegated to just setting timers and alarms. But Siri is now making a comeback. It will have the ability to answer questions using what's on your screen and the knowledge from across various applications.
For example, you'll be able to say, "Show me my photos of Stacy in New York wearing her pink coat." And Siri will bring those right up. Then you might say, "Make this photo pop," and Siri will enhance it, just like that.
But the piece de resistance of Apple's AI comeback is their newly minted partnership with OpenAI. Yes, the same OpenAI that powers ChatGPT. It will now power Apple's AI revolution. But the move hasn't come without some backlash, especially from Elon Musk. He says it's a threat to data security and has threatened to ban iPhones at his companies. Musk fears that Apple is compromising its data privacy to get ahead in the AI race. But is that truly the case? Well, not really. Apple says that privacy is still a top priority for the company. So how will it work with OpenAI then? It's quite simple. When ChatGPT is given an Apple query, the information will pass on to OpenAI, but Apple will ask for the user's permission. It also says OpenAI can't store the data or train its systems on it.
Your data is never stored or made accessible to Apple. It's used exclusively to fulfill your request. And just like your iPhone, independent experts can inspect the code that runs on these servers to verify this privacy promise.
So brand new updates, an AI-powered Siri, and all without jeopardizing user privacy. It sounds great. So what's the catch? In classic Apple fashion, the new AI features will have limited backwards compatibility. In layman's terms, this means that to enjoy the new features, you'll need to buy a new iPhone. What happens to your old, perfectly functional iPhone? Well, it's as good as gone. It's a strategy as old as time, or at least as old as the iPhone. And Apple seems to have mastered it. They're diving headfirst into the world of AI with a plan that's part genius, part marketing fluff, and entirely Apple. While Tim Cook and company may have joined the AI race late, don't rule them out just yet.
First Post reports from the world's second largest continent. Hello, I'm Alison Lagrange. A very warm welcome from Durban, South Africa. We get you the news and the newsmakers from Africa. From elections to climate change to innovations and opportunities. As the world's attention shifts, we report from Africa, the heart of the global south. Join me every weekday live on First Post.